Yeah, it's a new day. It's going on the third day. Fixing the ST again. So basically, I'm pretty sure I said this last time, but let me go ahead and say it again. So this is a good radiator. It just didn't fit. Those are aftermarket hoses that are not hoses but pipes that are on the ST right now. We got these from a guy yesterday for about $135. So now we're basically we have to jack the car up. We're gonna put those under. Hopefully it goes well. It should. I took this one off yesterday. Yeah, the cold side. That's the cold side. I took the cold side off yesterday, so that should just be a piece of cake. We got all the parts we need. Hopefully we can get this thing up and actually run it. We got them out. Now we're about to put the new pieces on as soon as we play Legos with them, because I don't know. We'll just have to figure it out. We'll match them up to these pieces. Hopefully they match up correctly. If not, we'll be in trouble. But yeah, we finally got this crap out. And this guy, he put a motor mount too under here as well. He put a Cobb motor mount on. He was going all Cobb apparently. He had these pipes. He's got the intake over there. He's got the motor mount. I'm pretty sure he tuned this car at a point in time. He had to look. All right, so under here. This right here is like the hot side coming off the turbo back here. You gotta get some stuff moved because I can't clamp it down, and I had to find to see if this pipe actually, like, you know, fits under here somewhere. So hopefully that's what's about to happen. This piece there's a bolt and we can't get it through this hole, so basically we're about to go buy a Dremel to basically Dremel this out to make it just a little bit bigger so that it can fit, and off to the store. So we just got done Dremeling this piece out. Now this piece that goes into the engine block fits through here. It didn't fit before, but now it fits. I don't know why. I have no clue why it didn't fit before.
All my injuries came mostly from your house. Remember when I got hit, bro? He had bought a rubber garden hose, right? Bro, I got hit with the only metal part in my nose. See, you remember that, Marcel?
What happened? Marcel Dale asshole.
Bro, I was like, Marcel, wait, don't yank it yet. Bro, he said, bro, the whole rubber part missed. It said, Oh, right in the nose. I was bleeding right here.
Alright, so we determined this fits on there now. So now we can actually start mounting shit back up. Now we're about to basically go in reverse of what we did before.
your advice?
Don't buy a salvage one.
What he said.
All right.
A salvage car is your first car. This is not my first car. Was frame damage reported on this? Fuck! They lied. That is definitely frame
Make
damage.
sure they report the incident correctly. I don't know how you
Fucking scumbag. So a little bit happened before the last time what you guys seen. So basically, right now what's going on is we're probably going to end up having to get a new one of these because we smashed that side in, and to make it fit with that, we might not have to get a new one. We'll find that out later. So right now we're about to mount the intercooler, that intercooler on here, see if that mocks up, and then we're going to put this piece on and fit that up, and then we should be
Just wiring it.
yeah, we should be just wiring and put the hood on and the bumper on tomorrow. we got so we have to do these here, right here, and right here. These are not aligned for some reason. They were aligned yesterday, but then like we put this on. Well, we mounted everything up, and then now like they are just a little bit off. So right now we are going to Dremel this side and that side. Hopefully we can get this to work, because this is the last part until we're done for the day. And in the meantime, while we were working on that, Best Buy sucks dick, because they fucked up this. This clamp was broken and they just completely left it. They didn't even want to even try to fix it, which is bullshit. But yeah, the clamp was broken. My car didn't turn on. It was turning off by itself, and finally went and actually fixed it. So yeah, thanks Best Buy. Thanks for that. So we're back again today. So we got both sides dremeled out already. As you can see. So now we're transferring all the things from this upper radiator mount. I think that's what it's called. Transferring like all these things. We got most of it off already. There are some clips right here that we took off with some flatheads. Got that off right away. Some of the other pieces we see how to like take this off. I take a few other things off, and then we're already mounting those up on there already. So then we'll put this back on and we'll go from there. Hopefully after that we'll be good to put the bumper on right over there, and that's it. Yeah. Alright, so we are freakishly struggling to get this fucking thing on over. Did you just do it? Did you just? No, you didn't. I thought you did while I was getting the camera. No, so we're struggling to get this lip rubber piece onto this plastic piece, basically. It's taking a long time, and we're both getting extremely fucking frustrated by this damn thing. But we'll get it. We'll get it. All right, we're a little stupid. So basically, what just happened was that we didn't put this on.